the statistics are being skewed. That's the main point I want to get across. The reality, the numbers we're being given and we're being told is not accurate. It is biased, and it's being inflated by other causes of pneumonia, and that is a fact. So, acute respiratory failure, this is secondary to eosinophilic pneumonia. Eosinophilic pneumonia was seen in mice studies in prior SARS coronavirus vaccines. So when they would vaccinate the animals, I did videos on this in the past, they would vaccinate the animals and then challenge them with the virus. The vaccine itself, by itself, did not cause the eosinophilic infiltration into the lungs. It didn't cause the pneumonia, the vaccine itself, but once they challenged the mice with the vaccine strain of SARS coronavirus, guess what happened? Eosinophilic immune responses causing severe SARS. Okay, severe acute respiratory syndrome, causing pneumonia, all right? So the vaccine primes you to have a greater risk in the future when you come in contact with the strain or possibly other coronavirus strains. So that being said, just a forewarning to anybody who's thinking they would like to get the coronavirus vaccine when it's fast-tracked into humans. So, acute respiratory failure, eosinophilic pneumonia following influenza vaccination in elderly man and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Just reading you straight from the research study and case report. We report herein a patient with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease who developed fever with worsening of respiratory symptoms and severe hypoxemia, requiring ventilation or ventilator support shortly after influenza vaccination. And guess what? Ground glass opacities were found on CT scans. Again, a central finding, a key finding in supposed coronavirus illness. So if that happened today, then guess what? He would be a probable case. That man would have been a probable case. These are past findings, not current findings. These are past research studies and case studies on individuals succumbing to pneumonia due to vaccinations. So if it happened today, that individual, that man, would be called a probable coronavirus case.